Hello world, and welcome to the Endless Summer Motel at Universal Studios. I'm going to give you a room tour, a resort tour, and I'm going to show you all the amenities that this place has, including the pool, the fitness room, and any other things they have. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's go check it out. So the first thing I'm going to do before I get in this building is cover my face. You're required to have a face covering of some sort. And once you enter the doors, you have to get your temperature checked as well. And I don't want to show that in case, somebody's up there, having a little difficulty with that. I don't want to put them on the spot. But once you get your temperature checked, they do give you this wristband right here. And you don't have to get your temperature checked for the rest of the day, even if you decide to go to one of the theme parks, like Islands of Adventure or Universal Studios or Volcano Bay. This green thing will get you straight in without having to get your temperature checked again. So here are the doors we just came through, and if you enter them and turn to the left, that's where you're gonna check in right there at those desks. So if you turn even more to the left, you see that they have a Universal Studios store, and this is gonna be a lot like the one you see inside of Universal Studios, but it's not gonna have as much stuff. But to tell you what it does have is it does have little amenities over here, like hair clips, maybe toothpaste, just stuff that you may have left at home, so it's kind of convenient to have that there. Here's a nice little seating area if you want to drink your Starbucks. They have a Starbucks over here. Inside of this little eatery area where Starbucks is, you've got your Beach Break Cafe. And it's usually something kind of like K&W style where you go and pick up already pre-made meals. But nowadays, you just walk up and give them your order and they make it for you. But right next to the pool, you're gonna have your game room. This is what the game room looks like. It's nothing special, but it is fun. So if you've got kids, they wanna take a break from the pool, have them dry off and come in here and play some games. Right next door to the game room, you've got your fitness center. If you care about fitness so much to work out over vacation, that's not gonna be me, but they've got free weights, machine weights, and they've got just different treadmills and things in there. We're at 2243. It's the first time I've seen it. You have a little closet right here. Looks like you have a safe. Let's check out the restroom. That's one of the most important places. How do you get the light on in here? Let's go back. There we go. Nice little restroom here with some extra towels. Clean looking toilet. And a nice walk-in shower. I like the decorations in this room being blue and all. Eat, sleep, surf. I'll do 2 of those, not the surf part. All right, the beds look super clean. I don't see any stains or anything left behind on that. Nice decorations up there at the top. Let's see what kind of a view we have. Well, this is a very elegant view of the roof of the parking garage. Whatever. Almost forgot to show that these outlets have some USB ports. So there was one at the desk and there's one at the nightstand. So I just found a little mini fridge in the desk. You could probably fit like a quart size of milk in there or something. Another thing I found here is the thermostat. Man, I like these way better than those window units. The room was absolutely spotless, super clean, and we do have a standard view, not a pool view like I thought, so the view was kind of understandable. But we're gonna head down and grab some food, and I'm gonna tell you what this restaurant's like. We're gonna eat at the Beach Break Cafe, and I wanted to show you guys what all they had here. They have a little convenience store with breakfast foods and ramen noodles, little potato chip bags and stuff. So if you need something to come up here or to come down here and grab to bring back to your room and snack on, they've got it down here. And they also have a big menu for dinner foods and lunch foods. So I see salads, hamburgers, yogurt parfaits. Let's see what else is down here. Looks like some roast chicken and stuff. I'm gonna show you guys what we get And tell you what I think about it. Oh, there's pepperoni pizza too for 18 bucks. 16-inch whole pizzas for $17, $18, so you can feed most of your family off that. It's not a bad deal. This is normally a place where you go through a line and you pick up your food, kind of like K&W, it looks like. But they don't have the food sitting out, and you pretty much just walk through and order like a normal restaurant. And you set a card on your table matching your order, and they're gonna come by and drop it off for us. So that way you're not waiting in line and, you know, getting too close to each other. So thumbs up, Universal. Also, when you're sitting at the table, you are not required to wear the mask because you can't eat with a mask on. We got a cheeseburger, a turkey sandwich, a donut, soda pop, 2 of them, and I got my annual pass holder discount, and it came out to be 27 bucks. So this is what you can expect when you order the cheeseburger. I mean, it looks pretty standard for your theme park cheeseburger, and there's your toppings, and instead of fries, I got mac and cheese. What did you get, real quick?
I got chicken drumstick and vegetables for the baby, turkey club, and potato chips for me.
All right, sounds good. So how was your turkey sandwich?
It's delicious.
Delicious? Like,
yeah.
Really good? Like, you're telling everybody it was really good?
I mean, it was a typical turkey sandwich. It wasn't anything amazing, but I would get it again.
A hamburger was pretty good too. It's probably 1 step above theme park food, but it's still a little bit theme parky. The only benefit to this is we paid $20 for it, but that was with our annual passes, so it was a little bit cheaper than what you would normally pay, so I'm not too mad about it not being the best food ever, but it was all right. And finally, here's the pool that I promised. It is a walk-in pool. It's got a small little ramp right here where those little fountains are going off. And it is about that big. It's shaped like a fish, which is pretty neat. They have some lounge chairs next to the pool that you can use, obviously for free, and a little bar over here that is obviously not for free. Let's go over here and check out what they have. It looks like they mostly just sell your standard cocktails and tropical drinks and things. I don't see anything on the menu about food. Endless Summer Surfside pool also has life jackets for the little ones. It has restrooms right inside the door there, and it's got towels. So you can come down here without a towel, grab one of theirs, throw it in the return bin, and save yourself from having to carry all that. One of the benefits of staying here at Universal's Endless Summer is you do get access to buses that take you over to City Walk, and from City Walk you can get into the parks. Now, after staying here for about 4 or 5 days, I developed a list of pros and cons that we encountered while we were here on our stay. So we're going to talk about the pros and cons of the Endless Summer Resort now. Keep in mind, these may be opinionated. On our side, the elevators are super fast until they're turned into service mode. And then one of the elevators is gone, and for whatever reason, this one goes even slower, which seems to happen a lot. The one on the left is almost always in service mode whenever we need to use it. A pro for the Endless Summer is the cafeteria they have here. The food is great, and they also serve breakfast. But that's also a con, because even though they have Starbucks, this is the only place to eat, and after a while, you kind of want something different. I also wanted to add that at the Beach Break Cafe, Tanisha is a great employee that works here. She was super nice, friendly, and helpful, so I appreciate you, Tanisha. A nice big pro is the huge pool they have here. It is walk-in, like I told you before, super easy to get in. They have some little jets shooting up water over there. Very big pro for me. And if you drink, they have a bar right next to it, so that would be a pro for you. Let me tell you about the biggest con and the biggest reason I wouldn't stay here at the Endless Summer Resort. The internet. The internet is absolute hot garbage. When you sign in, it gives you 2 options. I think the 2 are like standard and premium. Premium is $15. My wife had something she needed to do for work, and she couldn't do it on standard. So we gave customer service a call, or guest services, and they upgraded her to premium for free. Didn't do anything at all. You would be signed in, you'll have perfectly blazing fast internet every 4 or 5 minutes. Then you'll have no internet for like 3 or 4 minutes. So it was some of the worst internet I've ever experienced in any hotel in my life. Another con you might consider is not enough drawer space. We have 3 doors to put 3 people's clothes in. One thing that drove me nuts while we stayed here is the door. Watch when you open the door. You have nowhere to stand if you're on the inside of this, except for like right over there next to the toilet or in the shower. So at one point I was beating my feet up trying to get out of the bathroom. That's a pain. And while we're at it, my wife didn't like having a shower only. It's pretty tough when you have a little kid to not have a bathtub. That's gonna do it for me here at the Endless Summer Resort on Surfside. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope to help you out when you were booking your vacation. If it did, please help me out and hit the like button. If you have any comments at all, leave them in the comment section. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you like hotel reviews like this and just general vacation things. We do a lot of stuff. So it may only be temporary, but for now, it is game over.